These team of shearers at the moment are shearing 1-year-old sheep, last year's lambs, and like I say, we started that two days ago, and there's about 13,500 to shear. Probably take me about 8.5 days, about 1,500 a day, something like that they will do.
Yeah, there's a lot more people driving tours. A lot of people will save up their leave and take days off to just drive down here for a day when the big ships come in. Everybody has their team of people. Some people just rely on it for extra cash, and and it's a day out to meet people and exchange views on various subjects and talk about life in the Falklands and worldwide. I enjoy it.